everyone, Sharon with Arizona Home Group here, and today we're doing something a little different. I want to introduce you to one of our preferred mortgage lenders, Matt Askland from Envoy Mortgage. Matt, why don't you tell everybody kind of what's going on with rates right now?
All right. Well, thank you very much for having me, first off. But yeah, rates is probably the hottest topic in our industry right now, right? But, you really take it the last year and a half, the rates have been kind of in a decline, a little jagged line, but, it's been a little fun market to play in. But rates overall are going the right direction, hovering in really the upper to mid sixes right now. Yeah. But there's options out there to get those rates lower to make homes more affordable, for sure.
Yeah, and that's one of the things I wanted him to talk about today, because they have a great program at Envoy that is a rate buy-down program. So it's going to allow buyers to get into a lower rate and kind of ease that monthly payment right now.
The buy-downs, there's a lot of buy-down conversations out there, right? And I don't know if any other lenders besides us are actually paying for the buy-down for the client. So we're going to pay for the first year interest rate to be 1% lower for the first year. And we're literally 100% paying for that. You don't need seller concessions. You don't need your own cash for that. There's no gimmicks.
That's awesome.
There's no increase in the rate to cover that. It's we're literally going to pay for the rate to be 1% lower.
Oh, that's fantastic. With like a traditional 2-1, it would go 2 and 1. This will be 1 for the 1 year paid by. But what if they could get some concessions? Because we're getting a lot of sellers to give concessions right now. Could they tack onto that and then get another year?
Yeah, I was just going to say, absolutely. In this market, if you can get seller concessions and you can combine it with our program, a big thing right now, I always say cash is king, right? So if you get seller concessions, let us pay for the buy down and then use the seller concessions to pay for all the rest of the closing costs. But now you can maybe get into a home with just the down payment, not pay for closing costs.
Right, and that's awesome because that leaves more cash in your pocket to do things like buy new furniture or maybe some fix-ups if the house needs it. So this is a great option for buyers out there right now to take advantage. It is a buyer's market in the majority of our Phoenix metro area. 100%. There's over 25,000 homes on the market. So this is kind of what buyers have been waiting for. So there are options out there. Don't be afraid of the rates. Reach out to us. I'll get you in touch with Matt. He can get you pre-qualified pretty quickly. And if you have just any general mortgage questions,
sure,
I'll get you in touch with Matt and our team at Envoy, and they'll be able to answer those for you. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate the time.
This is awesome, and thank you for joining us. And be sure to find Arizona Home Group on YouTube. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.
Bye.